Hello everyone, welcome to the next session on case processing of Argus safety. Here we have a case to be created, the case data. We are going to create a spontaneous case and we are going to navigate across different workflow states in the Argus safety, whatever is configured. So firstly, to create a case, we need to log in with a booking data entry user. So I'm logging in with the same user now. Click login, case actions new. See, when you click on case actions new, it would navigate to the initial case entry screen. Here we are providing the initial receipt date as provided in this particular sheet. Test data for spontaneous case in this particular sheet, whatever date we have provided. So 31st October 2020. Country is United States. Report type is spontaneous. And next comes the product name. Product name I am taking it as chlorpromazine tab. That is a license. Description as reported. I'm going to select this particular event. The event is coded. When you click on this check mark, you'll see the Medra version and the hierarchy, event hierarchy. Uh, these are the mandatory fields. Click on continue. Once you click on continue, we'll have additional information of seriousness criteria. Check hospitalized. And check it as hospitalization prolonged. Click OK. Once all these mandatory fields which are in orange border are provided, we have this book in button enabled. So click on book in button. It would a case created web page dialog would be displayed with the case number. So once the case is created, click on yes to open the case form. So this is the case form which is displayed once we enter the case. So now I would like to route this case to data entry. As this is in book-in state, I'm routing this case to data entry. Click on this forward icon. It is going to a data entry group. Route to any user. As this is the same user, book-in and data entry, it's the same user. I'm just showing the workflow state, how it's how this workflow state changes. Case routed to data entry for further case data to be entered. Click OK. The case is available in data entry state. This is the same case. So now I want to enter further information. So reporter name, Dr. Jack Doe. Doctor is a salutation. Jack is the first name. Doe is the last name. I'm providing this to be a healthcare professional and reporter type as a doctor. Physician. I'm selecting it as a physician and country of reporter is United States. Country is United States. Healthcare professional, yes, and reporter type as physician. I provide all these details. Now navigate to patient tab to enter the patient information. So patient initials is BS, patient gender is male, patient age is 51 years, age is 51 and units is years. This age group is populated automatically once we provide the age, and weight is 176 lbs. One 76 lbs is the weight. So this is the patient information what we have provided. Next comes the product information. Product information, we have this product details, which is where the case is already created. When we have created the case, we have selected this product. So let it be as is. Go to events tab. In the event tab, we have the event atrial fibrillation, and the onset date for this is current date -1. That means onset date is provided, and outcome of event is provided as recovering. When we double click in this field, we'll get to see the various values available in this for this particular outcome of event. So I'll say it as lasting damage. The outcome as lasting damage. And when you navigate to event assessment tab, when the user navigates to event assessment tab, the user will be able to see the event information. Event and the causality information. Though we don't have any information, I'm not providing any details. Analysis, case seriousness, listedness determination, these all come from the previous data whatever we have entered. Click on save the case, save case icon, and now route the case to the next workflow state. So from data entry, it is being routed to workflow state as medical review. So I'll give the comments as routing the case for medical routing the case for medical analysis. Click OK. So the case is routed to a different workflow state, that is medical review. Click OK. Okay, now the case is not available in this state anymore. Click log out and log in with the medical review user. Now when you want to see the routed case, click new, worklist new. As this case is newly routed to this medical review user, we'll get to see the case. As we have 75 cases, I'm just providing the receipt date so that we can filter the case easily. So this is the case which is available in the medical review state, the case which we have routed from data entry to medical review state currently. And